Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing the Moto RAZR. Motorola has been working on this since 2015. That's almost 4 years in making. I guess it definitely raises expectations a little, don't you think? Anyway, this design also has an additional benefit with its zero gap hinge. Display is totally protected whenever it is closed. That's the kind of side effects everyone likes. So without any further delays, let's get started with the unboxing. So guys, here's the box. This phone is priced at $1,500 US in US, and in India it would be priced around 1 lakh rupees. We're not going to talk too much about it, we'll just have a quick unboxing. So here's the box. It has a very unique design. This is the first time I'm looking at something that has this kind of a unique design. As soon as we open it, we see the phone itself, and unlike other phones or other packagings, this phone is actually standing up. Let me just put that aside. Next, we have a small box behind it, and inside the box, we have quite a few accessories. First, we have earphones with braided wire and a Type-C port, so there's no audio jack on the phone. Next, we have 2 extra ear tips of different sizes. Next, we have a Type-C charging cable, once again with a braided wire. And finally, a USB Type-C to audio jack converter. Next, we also get an 18 watts turbocharger inside the box, and in the US, you get a 15 watts charger. Next, we have the user manual. Now this is the bottom part of the box and can also act like a mini amplifier where you can just place your phone and play some songs, and the sound gets amplified and comes from the bottom through these holes. Now here's a quick look at the phone itself. The entire design of this phone has been taken from the original Moto RAZR. In fact, they took the original frame of Moto RAZR and tried to put everything in it to make it a foldable phone. Now these are the complete specifications. This phone has a decently large 6.2-inch foldable OLED display with HD plus resolution and 21:9 aspect ratio. It even has an additional display on the outside. It's a 2.7-inch OLED display in 4:3 aspect ratio. As for cameras, it is a 16 megapixel primary camera with f1.7 aperture, that's dual pixel autofocus along with laser assisted focus. For selfies, it is a 5 megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture. Under the hood, it sports a Snapdragon 710 processor with Adreno 616 GPU with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Right out of the box, it will be running Android 9. It is powered by a 2500 mAh battery and also comes with an 18 watts power adapter inside the box. These are some of the sensors it has. So guys, that's it for this unboxing video. Stay tuned for our initial impressions video, which will be coming out pretty soon. By the way guys, let us know what you think about this phone, and will you be interested in buying a phone like this? Let us know by commenting below this video. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.